I had my own factory for 37 years. As Americans, we have a lot of ingenuity. I would buy everything American if I could. And we can build stuff as good or better than anybody. And that pleases me. There's something neat about getting some truckload of lumber in and fabric in and building a nice sofa. There's just something really neat about it. It makes you feel good. It's made in America and it's the latest style, good prices, and we can do that in America. We can build good product at good prices. We like to go to a lot of these factories. We like to see the factory themselves. We do that all the time. Make sure they have a good facility, that it's environmentally nice, and that the employees are treated well, and that they have a good production system set up where they can build good, latest technology, latest systems, which is important today. All of that stuff's important today. And so we check all that out and make sure that the factory is set up to build good product and be able to deliver timely. Buying furniture should be fun. It is fun. And you come to our stores, it's fun. We have a huge selection, great prices. You can pick out your own furniture. But by controlling it and handling it ourselves, that we can control the product, we don't damage it, and we deliver perfect furniture. I've always paid more. I believe in creating good jobs, good paying jobs, that people enjoy what they're doing. It's a good job that you can make a good, decent living and support your family and do it like they should be instead of having low-paying jobs. We really believe in being made in America. Like I say, I had my own factory for 37 years, and we're going to continue to do that.